Crystals are all the rage these days. You see them in jewelry, home decor, and even tech accessories. But have you ever wondered why people are so drawn to these beautiful pieces of minerals? What is it about crystals that makes them so appealing? And can they really bring peace into your life? In this video, we'll explore the world of crystals and how you can use them to find inner peace. So let's dive in. Crystals are all the rage these days. You see them in jewelry, home decor, and even tech accessories. But have you ever wondered why people are so drawn to these beautiful pieces of minerals? What is it about crystals that makes them so appealing? And can they really bring peace into your life? In this video, we'll explore the world of crystals and how you can use them to find inner peace. So let's dive in. The allure of crystals. Crystals have fascinated humans for centuries, from the ancient Egyptians who used them in religious ceremonies to the modern day, where they're popular in everything from jewelry to home decor. People have been drawn to these beautiful mineral formations for as long as they've been around. But what is it about crystals that makes them so alluring? One theory is that it's their beauty. Crystals come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and each one is unique. The intricate patterns and flawless surfaces of many crystals are truly stunning to look at, and this alone is enough to make them appealing to many people. Another theory is that it's the mystery surrounding crystals that makes them so interesting. There's still a lot that we don't know about crystals and how they form, which adds an element of intrigue to these already fascinating objects. Some believe that crystals have healing properties and can be used to treat various ailments, while others believe that they can help with personal growth and development, whatever the reason. There's no denying that crystals are fascinating objects that have captured the human imagination for centuries. Understanding crystal energies. If you're new to the world of crystals, you might be wondering what exactly is crystal energy. Simply put, crystal energy is the unique vibration of a crystal. Every crystal has its own unique energy signature, which is based on its chemical composition and atomic structure. These energies can be used to balance and align your own energy centers, promoting physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Different crystals have different properties. For example, amethyst is known for its calming and soothing energy, while rose quartz is associated with love and compassion. Clear quartz is a powerful amplifier of energy, and citrine is said to promote abundance and prosperity. When choosing a crystal, it's important to select one that resonates with your intentions. If you're looking for a stone to help you relax and distress, amethyst or rose quartz may be a good choice. If you want to boost your energy levels or attract abundance, citrine or clear quartz could be better options. Choosing the right crystal. There are literally thousands of different types of crystals, each with its own unique energy signature. So how do you know which one is right for you? Well, it helps to have a general understanding of the different types of crystals and their properties. As we mentioned earlier, amethyst is a great choice if you're looking for a stone to help you relax and de-stress. Rose quartz is another popular option for those seeking love, compassion, and emotional healing. Citrine is a good choice if you want to attract abundance and prosperity into your life, and clear quartz is a powerful amplifier of energy. No matter what your intentions are, there's sure to be a crystal that can help you achieve them. Just do some research and find one that resonates with you. Once you have your crystal in hand, take a few moments to really connect with it. Hold it in your palm, close your eyes, and visualize your intentions. Feel the energy of the crystal flowing through you and filling you with positive vibes. When you're ready, open your eyes and start working towards your goals with renewed energy and focus, cleansing and energizing your crystals. Before we move on to how you can harness the power of crystals for inner peace, it's important to know how to cleanse and energize them. After all, you want your crystals to be in top condition in order to get the most out of their healing powers. Luckily, cleansing and energizing your crystals is pretty easy to do. One simple method is to place your crystals in a bowl of water overnight. This will allow the water to cleanse and recharge your crystals, making them ready to use. You can also cleanse your crystals by placing them in the sun or moonlight for several hours. If you want to cleanse your crystals on the go, you can carry them with you in a pouch or bag made of natural materials like leather or cotton. Just make sure to take them out of the pouch regularly and give them a good cleaning. It is also important to note that not all crystals are created equal when it comes to cleansing and energizing. Some stones are more sensitive than others and may require more gentle methods. For example, you may want to avoid placing salt on selenite or gypsum crystals, as this can cause them to break down. Do some research on your specific crystals to learn the best ways to cleanse and energize them. By taking the time to properly cleanse and energize your crystals, you'll be able to get the most out of their healing powers and ensure that they remain effective tools on your journey to inner peace. Harnessing crystal power for inner peace. Now that you understand a little bit more about crystals and how to care for them, let's talk about how you can actually use them to manifest inner peace. First, choose a crystal that resonates with you. We recommend choosing a stone like amethyst or rose quartz, which are known for their calming and balancing energies. Next, hold your crystal in your hand and close your eyes. Visualize any stress or tension leaving your body and being replaced with feelings of calm and peace. You can also focus on a particular area of your body where you feel tension, such as your head, shoulders, or lower back, and visualize the crystal energy melting away any tightness or discomfort. Once you've focused on your crystal for a few minutes, open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Notice how you feel more relaxed and centered. You can also try placing crystals around your home or workspace to help create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. For example, you could place an amethyst geode on your desk to help calm your mind while you are working, or put a rose quartz crystal in your bedroom to promote feelings of love and relaxation while you sleep. Placing crystals around your home is also a great way to cleanse the energy of a room or space. For example, you could place clear quartz crystals in the corners of a room to amplify the energy of the space and drive out negative vibes. Just be sure to cleanse your crystals regularly, as they can absorb negative energy over time. In addition to using crystals for personal use, you can also use them to help heal relationships and restore harmony between you and others. For example, you could place rose quartz in the center of your living room to promote feelings of love and compassion among family members and guests. You can also carry a small crystal with you when you're feeling stressed or anxious. Holding a calming stone like amethyst or rose quartz can help you stay grounded and focused on the present moment, which can help reduce anxiety and bring a sense of peace. Conclusion: crystals are truly fascinating objects that have captured the human imagination for centuries. Their beauty, mystery, and purported healing properties make them appealing to many people. Whether you're drawn to crystals for their aesthetic appeal or their potential benefits, there's no denying that they're truly special objects. When choosing a crystal, it's important to select one that resonates with you and your intentions. Once you have your crystal, take the time to cleanse and energize it before using it to ensure that it is in top condition. Crystals can be used in a variety of ways to bring peace into your life. Try holding a calming stone in your hand while you meditate, or place crystals around your home to create an atmosphere of tranquility. With a little practice, you'll be able to harness the power of crystals to transform your life. Have you ever used crystals to manifest inner peace? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.